Your body was never meant to be a warehouse for pain. It was designed to be a temple of life, energy, and purpose. But sometimes, life or the enemy tries to occupy that temple with sickness, fatigue, and chronic suffering. You've seen the doctors, you've taken the medicine. But deep inside, your spirit is crying out for a touch that science cannot provide. Today, at Powerful Prayers, we are going to the source of all life. We are going to speak directly to the roots of infirmity and command them to wither. Prepare your heart, for the great physician is in the room. If you want to be blessed by God with deep prayers, subscribe to the channel right now. The spiritual law is clear. By His stripes, we are healed. This isn't just a religious quote. It is a finished transaction in the spiritual realm. Healing is not something God is thinking about doing. It is something He has already provided. The blockage often happens when we identify more with our diagnosis than with our Today, we are shifting our focus. We aren't going to tell God how big the sickness is. We are going to tell the sickness how big our God is. Faith is the bridge between your pain and your health. Let's cross that bridge together right now. Father, in the holy name of Jesus, we stand against every spirit of infirmity that has dared to touch your child. I decree right now that the same power that raised Christ from the dead is flowing through the device you are holding and into your physical body. I command every cancer cell to die. I command every inflammation to cease. I speak to your blood, your bones, and your organs be made whole in the name of the King. I break the spirit of depression and the heavy cloud of anxiety that has tried to steal your breath. Let the light of divine health explode within you. From the top of your head to the soles of your feet, I decree a total reset. Strength is returning. Pain is fleeing. Life is overflowing. Take a deep breath. Can you feel the shift? Do not doubt what God is doing in the unseen. Walk in your healing today, even if it starts as a small spark. If you felt the power of restoration moving through you, subscribe to Powerful Prayers and join our global family of faith. If this prayer touched your heart, subscribe to the channel and comment Gaudi, and I will stand in agreement for your total recovery. You are made whole.